Hachette Audio presents Mistreated, Why We Think We're Getting Good Healthcare and Why We're Usually Wrong. Written by Robert Pearl. Read by Jamie Renell. In loving memory of my father, Jack Pearl. Preface. America has the greatest healthcare in the world. At least, that's what people say. It's a claim made often and by a variety of influential leaders, from high-ranking politicians to hospital administrators to corporate executives. And despite the rancorous politicizing of the healthcare system, when it comes time to actually visit a doctor or hospital, the majority of Americans agree. 76% of patients describe the quality of care they personally receive as good or excellent. When their doctors speak, they listen, trusting that they are in the best of hands. There's just one problem. When independent researchers crunch the numbers and compare nations, American healthcare ranks nowhere near the top of the list. In fact, among developed countries, the United States has the highest infant mortality rate, the lowest life expectancy, and the most preventable deaths per capita. Several years ago, I set out to understand the strange division between our positive perceptions of healthcare and the reality of the current system. The closer I looked, the more questions and contradictions I encountered. As a nation, we spend 50% more on medical care than any other country, and yet we rank 70th globally in overall health and wellness. We pay U.S. physicians far more to intervene during a heart attack than to prevent one in the first place. We have the best trained doctors on the planet, and yet their avoidable mistakes kill nearly 200,000 Americans each year. And as consumers, we demand the latest technologies from our banks, telecom providers, and retailers. But we passively accept last century's technology in our hospitals and medical offices. While searching for answers to these and other mysteries, I was fortunate to collaborate with my colleague and a respected neurologist, Dr. George York. We were interested in a different but related topic. Why do smart people do dumb things in their jobs, relationships, and everyday lives? As part of the research, we combed through the latest brain scanning studies and decades of psychological literature to uncover a surprising connection. One that helps explain some of the most puzzling contradictions in American medicine.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?